Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Some people collect seashells, some people collect pocketbooks or shoes. I love collecting eyeglasses. So I love being able to have them stored in this gorgeous box from AUTOARK. The box is made out of a fine gray linen material, and you can see that the stitching looks really pretty. It also has the metal accents pieces that are really nice as well. Everything feels really well constructed, and that gray linen is really beautiful. The lines of this box are really solid looking, and it looks really nice. The interior of the box is made out of velvet, and you can see the slots are big enough to hold even bigger eyeglasses as well as small. And I like it because it's nice and soft, so it really doesn't matter which way that you place your glasses down. The bottom has a drawer with more storage, and you can even stick other things in there as well, like jewelry. The box also has a key, so you can lock it if you have high-end glasses and if you want just a little bit more safety. But overall, this is just a beautiful, gorgeous display for your eyeglasses. I am so impressed with the quality of this box, and I love being able to have all of my eyeglasses in one place. It is a gorgeous box that will really help me to be able to keep my eyeglasses lasting longer and looking very pretty in the meantime. And that's my point of view.